Now we are going to look at a continuation of the introduction of Python series. So, so there are two types of library philosophies. So some of the languages like React, libraries like React, they give a very core minimal standard library, and on top of it, we can add whatever that we want using NuGet packages or the packages that we want. And but Python is a comprehensive standard library, so it provides collections, file type times, compression, user interface like lots of other tools as well. So it's a very likely, less likely that we go out of this standard library. It is a very comprehensive one. Why this is a very come to this good standard library is because there's a good approach to add features to this library, like it calls PEPs, Python Enhancement Proposal Index. So once someone proposes an enhancement for the library, it goes through a process and goes through some certain administrative forum and gets approved, and that's how it goes for the new release. So it's a very something that's getting increased or enhanced periodically. Get it may make it better continuously. And pypi.arg is the where the Python packages are stored, just like NuGet. Here, all the Python related packages are stored, and we can add them to our Python projects as and when we need it. Third party libraries can be vary, like it can be for data science, for web development, for computer vision, for other applications. And we can use many different IDs, like they have the Python specific PyDev, PyCharm, and we can use our familiar Visual Studio Code also. And Spider is for a data scientist specific ones, and we can use the other tools also, which has a reasonable amount of support. And there is supporting tools also, like style guide enforcement tools, code analysis tools, code formatter, performance analysis, so that the developer productivity will be much better. Of course, the Python has its drawbacks, as discussed before, as discussed in the previous video. Interpreted, since it's interpreted, it's slow, and since it's not native to the operating system, then it's high memory and related issues can be there. And since it is dynamic typing, runtime errors can is more prone. But to avoid this, there can be how do you say workarounds of optional typing, and also for compilation strategies can be also improvised. But these doesn't come out of the box. So we discussed the pros and cons of Python, but overall, to give some motivation, it's versatile. A lot of scope is available, and the community is so strong, and it's easy to learn also comparatively. So these are the things that we can cover from this introduction part two.